let's go over a few things here. Um, so yeah, coming into this is the trade I took today. A good 1 to 2.52. Good day overall. But a couple things that I will never do again on this trade. Okay, so let's just go to the replay and just see what we're looking at from the start here. If we look on the chart here, let's just go on the higher time frame. Higher time frame, we could even see before markets showing, we have a bearish SMT here at the top on ES. Let's check it out. Boom, boom. Very, very, very bearish SMT here. And tons of low resistance liquidity. This is what I was seeing before market even opened. I was like, okay, we can look for shorts today. This is good. A lot of low resistance liquidity. SMT at the highs. This is quite honestly perfect. So upon market open, we just kind of wait. We're patient. Boom. Price comes and takes out those highs immediately. I know our 4-hour, because I mean, it's the same SMT on the 4-hour. We closed that at 10, which was, what is this time right here? That's 10. So that completes the 4-hour, or not completes it, but starts the 4-hour SMT. And then, or actually, let's go on the 5-minute here. 5-minute here, and we're just kind of, whoa. Let's backtrack it there a little bit, fella. Let's fucking backtrack it there. Because, oh, I don't think I was supposed to be doing that shit, bro. Because we were only right here. Okay, perfect. So I'm just kind of waiting for my my shit to play out now. At this point, you know, it's going up. It's going up. It's fucking. It chops. It chops. I'm like, all right, we might be done. And normally on a day like this, if at, let's just let the candle fucking load. 10:30. At 10:30, it's looking like this. I am going to hop off the charts. Okay, I'm gonna hop off the charts, but I mean, it was very reasonable that shorts could happen today because not only do we have this big bullish SMT, we also have this big ass 15-minute fair value gap. And it's like once price gets in these big gaps like this, as soon as like how this one right here, see how it smoothly went up and just went through it, we look to do the same thing here. So once we already got into this gap right here, I was kind of just waiting for everything to still play out. I wanted to see some fair value gaps form, just confirming more bearish intent. So we're just looking here. And I always want it to form on ES the same as it forms on Nasdaq. So you can see right here, no fair value gap. We do have it on ES. So I'm still a little bit skeptical, but we end up creating this fair value gap right here. Oh, didn't do it on ES. I think it's a little bit after. Let's see. Yo, fuck, bro. Just show the whole trade. Why don't you? Fucking shit. Boom. We get this right here. That bad boy, as well as this bad boy. I'm feeling really confident in this trade. We're in the middle of this gap. I'm going to say we might be fucking golden here. And I'm gonna be honest, I was just messing around with like what I wanted my take profits to be and what I wanted my stop losses to be. And I know I wanted to put it above this fair value gap because that's protected. And I'm gonna be honest, I accidentally misclicked and I just pressed sell. So it just like entered me in the trade and I was like, fuck, bro. Like, yes, I was confident in the trade, but man, I fucking finger slipped and I was like, I'm gonna shit my pants if this trade does not go through. All right. If this trade doesn't go through, I'm gonna fucking shit my pants. Because not only are we still right here in this 5-minute gap here, but I mean, I felt pretty good. You know, it was already midst of the 15-minute here is pretty much all the way down. I'm pretty sure, I don't know, let me see where the 79% extension was. It was pretty damn close to that 79% extension. Okay, not even close. Oh wait, I didn't actually run it from there. 79% extension is coming from this fella right here. Okay, so not even close. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. All right, so let's just go back to the trade. It accidentally placed me in, and I was like, Holy fuck, bro. I really hope this works out because I'm pretty sure this was the original trade right here. Should be. And we'll just let it play out on the 1 minute here. Boom, go down there. Once we inverse this, I'm like, fuck, I am good. I didn't move my stop totally break even. But I did move it to this gap. There's another 5 minute gap here, which is this guy right here. So I just moved my stops a little bit lower. I put it right around here, which I felt comfortable with. Still a really good trade. And next thing you know, price decides to fucking rip down, hits my take profit. We make a thou wow. Now I'm kind of pissed. I'm kind of pissed. Because fucking Trade Sinker decided to want to have some issues. You know, they want. Oh my god, bro. I'm like, you know, I'm not mad, but I'm fucking mad. You know, I won money and I was supposed to have it on 3 accounts and I didn't. So that's kind of what like pisses me off. You know, you pay a monthly fee for Trade Sinker and then it fucks up, right? And it's like, dude, you're fucking with me, right? You're fucking with me. And I lost yesterday, so it's like I like seeing the red on the screen. I like seeing all my accounts up, you know? So it kind of fucked me. I had to like disconnect, reconnect. It was literally like last. Oh my god, bro. See how this right here says, okay, so this right here where it says connected, it said disrupted. What the fuck do you mean disrupted, man? And this right here, last ping, how it's like 9 seconds ago, 10 seconds ago, it's like very green, updated. This shit was like 4,000 something seconds ago. What the fuck am I even paying for? I could have just did this shit myself. So it would have been a $3,000 day in total. Would have made my trade Zella look a lot better, but it didn't fucking happen. All right, it didn't fucking happen because Trade Sinker wanted to fuck up, and I can't be mad because typically my edge is I stay off the charts past 7:30 if I don't find anything. Today I didn't, and it worked out at 10:58. So, you know, yeah, you know, you could say it's like a good time. I know a lot of people like that window of 6:50, 6:30 to 11. Or my bad, I'm tripping right now. 9:30 to 11. I know a lot of people like that window from market open to basic lunchtime. And I know a lot of people trade that. I typically don't, just because from what I've seen, after 7:30, if there's no trade that's played out, then it's most likely not going to happen. But today, I decided to stick with it. Obviously, it worked out. Unfortunately, Trade Sinker fucked up, and I didn't get my full pay on all my accounts. Unfortunate. I almost went back in. I tried a little one right there. I actually did go in, and it just like stopped me out randomly. But, you know, it's okay. You live and you learn. It's part of the game. Oh, we're on replay. I was like, no way, we're still down here. Yeah, it definitely came up. Definitely came up, retested that. It's probably going to go all the way down here. I low-key could get back in here, though. I'm not going to lie, bro. This is pretty good. I should probably go. Dude, I should probably go in here. This looks pretty fucking good. Oh, you know, it's like it's already too late, man. It's already too late. I'm just going to stay off the charts, but definitely could see this playing out. Just like, boom. Boom. It's already tried to get past that. It'll probably retest it again. You'd even go just for these lows, to be honest, bro. For a nice 1-to-1, that would bang. Ah, do I do it? Do I do it? For the culture? For the culture, I don't know. Yeah, because this one came down here. It didn't inverse it. Shit, if I care. Shit, if I care, man. This shit goated, bro. Look at this. Look at this freaking goated. Yeah, I could just come up here into this gap right here, this 15-minute gap, and reject off. Oh, it did. Oh, look at that. 15-minute mitigated that. Hey, we might be chilling here. We might be. I need to get rid of all these lines because it's throwing me the fuck off, man. Throwing me the fuck off here. Oof. Shit. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? I'm like getting totally sidetracked here. But it's like when you see this and you know there's so much more out to get, but the counts are kind of lined up here, which kind of works out because I fucking bought this one before everything, lost like 500, and then I started sinking them. So they're like kind of up to date now with each other, up to speed. But man, do I want to trade this right now? Inverse this. It's rejecting off of that. I don't know. It looks like it might want to retest it again. No way. No shot, man. No shot. Do I go in here off of a break of structure on the 1 minute? I think I could possibly do that. Possibly do that. It's possible that might be an option. Or do I just save it for another day? It's only Tuesday. It's only Tuesday. I think I'm going to hop off the charts. It would have been good if TradeSync, got everything together. But at the end of the day, I'm just blessed to even be able to trade and be on the charts and have everything I have. So, yeah, I think I'm just going to call it there. That was a dubski on the charts there. Could put it back up just so you guys see the trade I then took. Boom. It was for surely around like right here. Yeah. So gnarly trade, 2.86 RR. Good trade. It was textbook in the sense that it followed all the confluences I look for. It was not my best discipline though by trading outside of my hours. I will never do that again. It was a one-time thing. The confluences and the setup was just too good and it presented itself and I had to go for it. So, happens. Worked out for me today, but I don't want to take my chances any other time. So thank you guys for watching and yeah, W day.